G'day! In today's video, I'm hopefully going to be eating my words after having initial dramas with Corsair support and having to send a 32 gig kit of, I think it was DDR5 5200 megahertz or 5600 megahertz back to Taiwan. Jumping through all the hoops to get that, requiring serial numbers, couldn't track down the serial number. With the lifetime warranty they had, I was pretty annoyed with that. But hopefully opening this up, they're going to hold up to their end of the bargain, rather than me having to buy another $500 Australian set of 32 gig of RAM. Pop this open. What do we have? Packing paper, not much else. And I would say this is what I'm after. So the packaging is different compared to the original packaging that I sent in. They've gone for this new transparent look. I think people must be pinching RAM. So they've definitely kind of swayed away from this original style or similar to this. But if both those sticks there work and both are perfectly fine, I'm going to be perfectly happy. So cheers Corsair, thank you very much for the warranty claim and being, apart from jumping through the hoops that I was not familiar with, the rest of the process was extremely fine. They kept me up to date with sending me constant update reminders of what stage they're up to. So when it turned to basically assessing, receiving, sending out, and then a final one that said shipping, which is what I've received here today. So as much as I hate the RAM apocalypse, they held up their end of the bargain. I've got myself some fresh 32 gig, 5200 megahertz RAM. So here's what it is. Cheers.